Hello, Eric and Carolyn. Eric, I had mentioned to you that there was a little bit of a leak at on the inside of the hull here, and we felt like it was coming from here because after this kind of like expanded and closed up, and we didn't have any more water. Water was leaking out of there, but water stopped leaking out of there, even though there was water in the boat. So we think that's a non-issue. Just after soaking, it became a non-issue. Here is you can see your bilge pump right under there, there is a switch on the back of it. You have to hold it. It's just a sensing area, and you hold your finger on that for 5 seconds, and your bilge pump will turn on. So if you want to test your automatic on your bilge pump, that's how you test it. Of course, you can always turn your manual on, but this is how you test your automatic right there. We also have you can see the plug, the T-handle plug that goes in here for draining your bilge. And we haven't done anything to the front seats yet. And here's the throttle, key and kill switch position over here. And then we mounted your charger on a 45-degree angle as requested. And it still leaves plenty of room to service your packing gland, should you need to. And then of course you can get to these bearings and grease those occasionally if you need to as well. A little tougher over here, but they really they're pretty much lifetime lubricated. At the RPM you're running, it won't be an issue. This packing gland, I think I did a video on just the packing gland for you. We're not really going to gain anything by cutting that skirt back right here, because there's just not much. You just haven't got a lot of room between the lock nut and that. So let's see. We haven't got to your trailer yet, but we have that figured out. And so that's where we are right now. And we're going to be building the engine box out of this wood that you dropped off for us. And so anyway, our next step is to get that happening. Talk to you soon.